Hey guys, so I'm trying something new. I'm going to be doing a voiceover over this video, so tell me if you guys like it. So we're going to be starting out with moisturizer. I'm using a Trader Joe's Ultra Hydrating and a Drunk Elephant moisturizer, and we're just going to be spreading that throughout the skin. I absolutely love this facial toner. It's a rose water facial toner from Trader Joe's, and I've been actually trying something new with my brows. I've been using an eyeshadow to fill in my brows. I'm using the lighter brown shade to just kind of get the shape of the brow and outline it however I want it to, and this way it's not too dark and I can always blend it out with a spoolie. As you guys can see, I'm not touching the inner part of my eyebrow just yet because that's kind of where I want the fade to begin with my brow. I'm going to slowly get whatever product I have left on the brush. I'm just going to kind of brush that throughout the eyebrow and get that nice fade that I like. So I'm taking a darker brown just to fill in the areas that kind of still look sparse throughout my eyebrows, and I know for sure this will give me a nice bold brow. Moving on to carving out the eyebrows, this is probably the most important step. Guys, please don't look at my nails, they're really bad, okay? So this is a personal preference for myself. I love to conceal my entire eyelid and use that as a primer. I'm taking the Fit Me by Maybelline loose powder. The palette I'm going to be using is the Riviera by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be taking this blending brush and going in with a transition color. Now I'm going to be packing on more color. I'm going to be taking this peachy pink and I'm going to be taking that into the outer corner of my eyelid and just packing that on and giving myself more color. Just had to dive into this Bahamas color. Like, do you see that hot pink? Like, this payoff is so good. I love it. I love that it's easy to build up, so when you first put it on your eyelid it's not like, oh my god, what did I just do? So I really love to just pack that on there and have the color payoff show through. I'm going to be taking this little concealer brush and I'm going to be carving out a cut crease. I just want to say that makeup, when I do a look, I honestly am just trying new things. So what had happened was I was going for a half cut crease, and then once I realized I didn't like how it looked, you'll see in the video that I continued the cut crease and I made it a complete top cut crease. So I'm just gonna stop talking and then just have you guys watch it. I am living for the glittery colors in this palette, so I'm going for the turquoise and I'm just packing that on my eyelid, making sure that the color is paying off, the glitter is paying off, and everything is looking vibrant because we are going for a vibrant look. So as you can see, I did a little bit off camera because there was a moment where I was freaking out because I thought that I had completely ruined this look, but little did I know I was able to keep it together. Going back in with this Bahama hot pink and also the other pink transition color just to liven up the pink surrounding the turquoise or blue, whatever, teal, I don't know what color that is exactly. It's beautiful is what it is. So we're just going to be blending out the pinks upwards just to give my eyes a bigger look to themselves. And now I'm going to be carving out the bottom half of the wing, I should say, but there's no wing yet. But this will help me guide my way through eyeliner. And now I'm going to be taking this glitter liner that I got off of shopmissa.com. Everything is $1 on that site. I just want to say that, like, I absolutely love it. I love the glitter liners that they have. So the only thing is you have to let them dry completely. I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner and we're going to be popping on some beautiful lashes. I'm going to be taking my favorite foundation. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I prefer this in the stick form, but I also love the liquid formation as well. I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer under my eyes and wherever I want to highlight my face. I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going with this turquoise color underneath my eyelid and applying mascara and highlighter by Becca Cosmetics, that is Champagne Pop. I'm applying this little NYX lippy to my lips to make it look not so crusty.
Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That bitch, I'ma ride a dick all night. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Whip, right around dipped. I can see why all these basic hoes pissed. Bust down wrist, not a bust down bitch. Said I want your man, no the fuck I don't fit.